वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा पटेल आ चुका है 7th स्टैंडर्ड के ज्योग्राफी के साथ। और आज का हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है एग्रीकल्चर। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है, सिलेक्ट द प्रॉपर ऑप्शन फॉर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग इज आर द क्रॉप रोटेड intense agriculture requires the following uses of animals, implementation, machines, manpower. In India, agriculture has developed because in India factors like climate, soil, water, etc. are conductive. It is necessary that the modern methods of technology used in agriculture in India because population is growing and there are agro-based industries. Second, state whether the following statements are true or false. Farm sizes used in intensive farming false. In farming is carried out with the help of manpower false. In India, commercial farming in practice on large scales false. Skilled laborers are required for plantation farming true. Vermicompost is organic manure true. Question number 3, answer the following questions in brief. Describe the importance of irrigation of agriculture. Answer, monsoon in India is seasonal, it is highly variable and it is distributional. It is quite uneven. The regular supply of water is essential for the growth of the crop. This water is supplied to the farms with the help of canals or using electric pumps. 6, with various technology and with the various techniques of irrigation facilities, iron crops are grown on the large scale. Give comparative account of any two methods of irrigation. Well irrigation, canal irrigation, tank irrigation, etc. are some of the methods of irrigation. Well irrigation. In this type of irrigation, the groundwater is obtained by digging wells, bore wells, etc. Comparatively, a less area is required for digging wells. Wells are owned by a person, therefore water in the wells can be used easily and flexibly. Well irrigation is comparatively less costly. Canal irrigation, dams are constructed on the rivers. The stored water in dams supplied to the surrounding region with the help of canal. This is known as canal irrigation. Comparatively vast area is required for construction of dams. Dams are owned by government, therefore water in the dams may not be used easily and flexibly. Canal irrigation is comparatively more costly. Question number 3, why is the agriculture in Indian season is natural in nature? What are the difficulties for perennial agriculture? Answer, the reason for seasonal nature of agriculture in India. The reason for the seasonal nature of agriculture in India as follows. Most of the farming is in India is depend on monsoon. Monsoon is seasonal in India. It rains only in the months of June, July, August, September in India. The rainfall is highly variable and distribution is quite uneven in India. Difficulties by the perennial agriculture. The difficulties for the perennial agriculture in India are as follows. Non-availability of regular water throughout the year, variation in climate conditions, lack of capital, lack of transportation and storage facilities, lack of marketing facilities. तो आजकल बस नहीं होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आओगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आओगा वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब हो। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।